Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
المملكة العربية السعودية.
The Arabic name of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country located on the Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. Its capital is Riyadh, the official language is Arabic, and the currency is the Saudi Riyal. Saudi Arabia is known for its religious significance, including the Grand Mosque in Mecca and the Prophet's Mosque in Medina, and it is the world's largest oil exporter.
المملكة العربية السعودية.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.